Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we have something truly exciting for you. We're diving into the top 5 best electric drills of 2024. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional tradesperson, having the right drill can make all the difference in your projects. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So let's get started. Number 5. TANZU Cordless Electric Drill and Screwdriver. This is not just any drill. The TANZU Cordless Electric Drill and Screwdriver boasts a 21-volt battery with a torque of up to 30 Newton meters, making it a powerful companion for any task. The TANZU drill features dual speed adjustment, allowing you to easily switch between high and low speeds. This versatility ensures that whether you're drilling through wood or metal, you have the right speed for the job. With 2 speed settings, you can handle a range of tasks with ease. The high speed is ideal for quick drilling, while the low speed offers more control for delicate work. This drill offers an impressive 25 levels of torque adjustment. This means you can tackle different materials and workforces effortlessly. The higher the gear, the more power you have, making it a highly versatile tool for any project. The TANZU drill comes equipped with an LED lighting system that automatically turns on when needed. This feature is incredibly handy for working in dim environments. One of the standout features of this drill is its 3-in-1 functionality. With just one click, you can switch between impact drilling, flat drilling, and screw lifting. This flexibility is perfect for home decoration and repairs. Charging is quick and efficient with the TANZU drill. The high-quality 18650 lithium battery is designed with 4 layers of protection, enhancing its lifespan and performance. The drill features a high-power all-copper motor that delivers exciting power and durability. It's designed for stable and fast performance, making it a long-lasting addition to your toolkit. Durability is key with the TANZU drill. It is dust and waterproof, so you don't need to worry about using it in tough conditions or accidentally dropping it. Finally, the TANZU drill is designed with a focus on quality. It features noise reduction for a quieter operation and a keyless chuck for easy bit changes. Number 4. DayPlus Portable Cordless Power Drill Set. This DayPlus drill set features a 21-volt portable cordless power drill with an impact screwdriver. It comes with a 1500 mAh lithium-ion rechargeable battery and a fast 60-minute charger. With a maximum torque of 45 Newton meters and 25 plus 1 torque settings, this drill is designed to handle a variety of tasks efficiently. This drill provides outstanding performance thanks to its powerful lithium-ion battery and fast charger. The large battery capacity and extended battery life ensure you have continuous working power, making it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The DayPlus drill comes with a 38mm keyless chuck, allowing for easy bit changes without needing extra tools. This chuck is equipped with an automatic spindle lock that ensures quick and secure switching of drill bits. With a maximum torque of 45 Newton meters and 25 plus 1 torque positions, this drill can handle a wide range of materials, including wood, metal, drywall, plastic, and slate. Whether you are drilling holes or driving screws, this tool provides the flexibility and power you need. One of the key features is its variable speed settings. You can switch between low and high speed modes, ranging from 0 to 400 revolutions per minute and 0 to 1,400 revolutions per minute. This allows for precise control over your drilling and screw driving tasks, effectively preventing damage to screw heads, threads, or workpieces. The forward and reverse switch makes it easy to withdraw screws or replace and remove drill bits quickly. This feature enhances the drill's versatility and efficiency. Ergonomics play a significant role in the design of this drill. Weighing in at just approximately 3.6 pounds, it is lightweight yet durable. The compact design allows for easy control with one hand, and the non-slip rubber handle makes operation more comfortable. For added safety, the drill comes with a safety buckle to prevent accidental activation. And let's not forget the integrated LED light. This feature provides extra illumination when working in dark or narrow environments, ensuring you can see your work clearly. Number 3. Gisam Brushless Cordless Drill Electric Screwdriver. This Gisam Brushless Cordless Drill features an 18-volt, 13mm brushless electric impact drill. It offers up to 480 Newton-meters of torque and is compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries. This tool is designed to deliver power, efficiency, and convenience for all your DIY and professional projects. One of the standout features of this drill is its 3-in-1 functionality. It serves as a hammer drill, a screwdriver, and a flat drill. This versatility means you can handle a wide range of tasks with a single tool. Whether you are drilling into concrete, driving screws, or making flat drills, this tool adapts to your needs seamlessly. With 20+ 3-stage settings, this drill provides 20 torque settings and 3 drill modes. This range of options allows for high precision and control, making it perfect for both delicate tasks and heavy-duty jobs. The drill is equipped with a built-in LED working light. This feature provides illumination in dark spaces, ensuring that you can work efficiently even in low-light conditions. The ergonomic comfort handle of the Gisam drill provides ideal balance and control. The handle is designed with a soft, rubberized anti-slip grip, which ensures a comfortable hold and reduces hand fatigue. The drill features a forward, reverse, and lock switch. This allows for easy switching between driving and withdrawing screws and ensures safe locking when the tool is not in use. The drill is fitted with a 1.5mm to 13mm variable chuck. This chuck holds your drill or screwdriver bit firmly in place, improving safety and ensuring secure bit changes. In addition to the working light, the drill also features an LED indicator light. This light is particularly useful in dark and complex working conditions. Equipped with a brushless motor, the Gisam drill is more energy efficient and durable compared to traditional brushed motors. This results in a longer lifespan and improved performance. Number 2. Deko Cordless Drill Combo Kit. One of the key features of this drill is its upgraded brushless motor. This motor provides a maximum torque of 42 Newton-meters and is designed to deliver more stable performance. Compared to traditional brushed motors, this brushless motor lasts up to 5 times longer, making it a durable choice for your projects. With this drill, you can expect 2 to 4 times the lifespan of a standard brush drill, giving you long-lasting power and reliability. The Deko drill features a 3/8-inch single-sleeve keyless chuck. This design allows for easy one-hand bit changes, making it quick and convenient to switch between different bits. This drill offers 2 speed settings, 0 to 450 revolutions per minute and 0 to 1,700 revolutions per minute. The high-speed transmission is ideal for detailed work, while the lower speed is perfect for heavy-duty projects. With 18+1 torque settings, this drill allows for precise torque control. This reduces the risk of damaging fasteners and makes it suitable for various household repairs, assembly tasks, and DIY projects. The Deko drill is designed to be compact and lightweight, weighing just 1.2 kilograms, including the battery. Its cordless feature enhances portability, and the soft ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip for better control. The drill comes with a 20-volt 1500 mAh lithium-ion battery pack and a fast charger. This powerful battery ensures continuous operation and improved efficiency. Additionally, the built-in LED work light provides clear visibility in dark or poorly lit workspaces. Another great feature is the 10-second delay after the trigger release, which allows for extended work checks and ensures you have ample time to inspect your work. Number 1. Xiaomi Mijia Brushless Smart Household Electric Drill Set. This set is not just any drill, it's a multifunctional powerhouse. It comes with 24 steel bits, ensuring you have the right tool for a variety of disassembly tasks and more. With its high-capacity 2,000 mAh battery, this drill set offers long-lasting performance. The rechargeable convenience means you can work without interruptions, making it perfect for both small and large projects. 3 different modes of this drill set: normal, slow, and fast. This feature allows you to adjust the speed according to your needs, enhancing both efficiency and precision for different tasks. Another standout feature is its compact and portable design. The drill is lightweight and easy to store, making it ideal for home use as well as for carrying on the go. It comes with a 12-volt maximum brushless cordless drill that offers a powerful brushless motor with 30 Newton-meters of torque. This motor provides stable and reliable performance with low motor wear, reduced noise output, and high power conversion. With the smart display, you get a high-resolution view of the current operating mode and manual gear speed. This interactive feature revolutionizes conventional tool use by keeping all the power and information right at your fingertips. Switching between modes is a breeze with the one key function. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, you can easily adapt to various operating scenarios with just a touch. The drill set features an all-metal variable speed gearbox that allows for easy switching between drilling and screw-driving modes. The minimalist, screwless design not only looks modern, but also ensures a comfortable grip with its metal coating and soft rubber for a non-slip feel. Built with a durable plastic and equipped with a large capacity battery, the drill can handle over 550 self-tapping screws on a single charge. The universal Type-C charging port and rapid charge adapter make it easy to keep the drill powered up at all times. The drill set also includes a wide range of accessories, 24 different types of S2 steel bits in 9 common categories, a 60mm magnetic extension rod, and 8 sizes of woodworking and metal twist drills. All of these come in a water-repellent storage pouch, which is compact and easy to carry. And there you have it, our top 5 best electric drills of 2024. We hope this list helps you find the perfect drill to take your projects to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.